Welcome to a ScribeShadow tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare and upload your first manuscript. On Manage Books, click Upload Book when you are ready to add a manuscript. This opens the upload form where ScribeShadow collects the file and the basic details needed to organize the book. Use the preparation links if this is your first upload. The tutorial and word formatting guidelines help you check the manuscript before selecting a file, which reduces chapter detection problems later. Choose one manuscript file. ScribeShadow accepts DOCX and EPUB files. For Word documents, use heading 1 styling for chapter headings, so chapters can be detected cleanly. After a file is selected, review export availability. The file type you upload affects which export formats are available later, so this note helps you confirm that the manuscript format matches your publishing plans. Enter the source title and author. These fields keep the book organized in your library, and the title can later be used to generate a translated title for the translated edition. If this book belongs to a series, add the series name and number in series. The series name can also be used later to generate a translated series name, and the number keeps the reading order clear. Confirm the book's current language. This is the language of the manuscript you are uploading and the language ScribeShadow translates from. When the file, title, author, and source language are ready, the Upload Book button becomes available. Click it to submit the manuscript for processing. The next tutorials show what to do after the book appears in your library. That's it for this ScribeShadow tutorial video. You're ready to prepare and upload your first book. Continue with the next tutorial when you're ready.